We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up GBT stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish, huge bullish green candle working its way up. Also has a wick to the high, maybe stopping for that area of resistance. Price action. Overall higher highs. Price action. Overall lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. Adding second level highs. So let's zoom in the price and see what's going on. So below price we have a pattern. So let's take a look at what's going on. Overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. We do have a retest here with the second last candle, and then the market pushed up once. So from here with the spike down, it's looking more like a double bottom. As we walk down the time frame, this area here may identify as a triple bottom, but so far let's call it a double bottom. Okay, so market did break that midpoint retest, and we got the push. The price action did break the second level highs, but we don't see a retest in that area. Also, price action is near the highest high, so we don't know if that market is going to come back down to retest second level highs to push up further, or it can work its way sideways with additional candles inside of the price action candle, or that market can spike that area as doing for the first leg, second leg, identify a third leg and work its way back down, or maybe just a single bottom, a single top. Walking down to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, price action still the bullish green candle. We can see it's still breaking that second level highs. We don't see the retest. So monthly, weekly looking like the same. On the daily time frame, price action's a bullish green candle, still had that wick up to the high, could be stopped at the resistance, still looking to see what's going on at that area. Second last candle is a bullish green candle, very small, could be a retest. Okay, so as we walk down the time frame, we may identify the market push, second last candle will be a retest, and price action is the next push. So that's the break and retest of that second level highs. On the 4-hour time frame, price action is a bearish red doji. Second last candle still had that bullish green candle that's working its way up. Price action is within the second last candle, so that market is working for that consolidation, waiting for a pattern to form. So there's a few things that can be happening. This can be that market second last candle pushing up. Price action is the retest. If we receive a bullish green candle, market's coming up further to that area higher highs. If not, if we receive a bearish red candle after this, it can form for that market to push down further. So we're just waiting up in this area here to see a pattern's going to form, to see what's going on. On the 3-hour time frame, now we have price action second last candle, 2 dojis in the market. So it's showing that the market did a retest. So third to last candle broke that area. Price action second last candle came down for that retest. We're going to see if it's going to respect this area for that market to push up, as we said earlier, or continue to work its way sideways with more candles within the price second is some of the third to last candle in the market. Two-hour time frame identifying the same as the 3-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, we have additional candles, all dojis, price second, third, fourth. Dojis or a very small bearish candle with the third to last candle in the market. Still identifying that market is breaking. Came back to retest. We're going to see if that market's going to respect that area of support with that long wick to price action and then work its way up, or we'll see that market's going to break this area to work its way down further. On the 45-minute time frame, starting to receive a little structure. So what's happening is 6th to last candle, the market has pushed up, spiked up to a high. 5th to last candle came back to retest. Market worked its way sideways a little bit, came back for a full retest in that area. So market just consolidating until we receive a bigger pattern or a bigger candle to identify what's going on. Price action still creating that area of support at that SR line that we did create on the earlier time frame. So there could be a few things happening. It could be an M pattern forming with this market doing that first leg, second leg, third leg, and then market's pushing down for that fourth so far. So it's identifying an M, or it could be identifying that market breaking and coming back for a full retest, looking for a pattern. Still looking for a huge candle or pattern to engulf these dojis, these small candles in the market, to push that market in that direction. On a 30-minute time frame, reading the same thing. Market has broke, came back to retest with price. In between here, market just consolidated sideways, came back to that support. So price action is still reading the same thing on the time frames that we walked through so far. Same as well with the 15-minute time frame. Price action is a bearish red candle, still spiking that low. Price action is also as long wick down to the bottom, could be that area of support for that SR line. Still look for that pattern to form, even though price action is the engulfment of the previous candles. But we got to be careful that price action candle, because it's a long wick down to the bottom, could be that area of support for that market to work its way back up. If not, we'll see that market continue to work its way sideways, or we'll see price action eventually break the SR line. Okay, so now we're receiving some structure in this area. So market has broke this area, came back to retest, and the market pushed down further. So it's like a break and retest. And price action is a bullish green doji this time. Could be an area of support for that market to work its way up. But if so, we want to see additional candle break above and close out above the price action, at least the second last candle, see if that market's going to push up for that support. If so, price doing a decline W, which will be first leg, second leg, third leg, receive that support. Market's coming up for that W. If not, like I said before, it will be the break, retest, and then market works way down to that support. So we're still looking for that market to break that SR line, to come back to retest to see if it's going to work its way down further. On a 3-minute time frame, price action, bullish green candle. So second last candle has spiked down to that low, and then price action pushed back up. So it's in that consolidation range at the bottom of this area here. Okay, and also price action above that's coming from some type of double top. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and then market push once, but still within that consolidation. Be careful, the second last candle is a spike down to the low. May push back up, but see, waiting for that engulfment pattern to second last candle in the 3-minute time frame. And as we can see here, it could be forming that first leg, second leg, third leg, waiting for the engulfment pattern, see if it's going to push up for that fourth leg. If not, we're looking for that break, retest, engulfment pattern, markets work its way down. Okay guys, GBT.